If your workshop works on European cars, switching between 5 different diagnostic systems can be a headache. Today we're unboxing the KKS Supercar all-in-one diagnostic laptop system. This laptop gives you access to 5 different diagnostic systems. BMW, Mercedes-Benz, Porsche, Jaguar Land Rover, and ODIS are all built in. Simply select the system you need and press Enter. The laptop will boot directly into that manufacturer's diagnostic platform. It combines BMW ISTA, Mercedes-Benz Xentry, ODIS, Porsche PIWIS4, and Jaguar Land Rover diagnostic software in one pre-configured laptop. First, let's take a look at what comes inside the full kit. The first platform is BMW ISTA. This is used for BMW, Mini, and Rolls-Royce diagnostics. Key functions include full vehicle test, fault code reading and clearing, service functions, module identification, live data, coding, and programming support where applicable. The second platform is Mercedes-Benz Xentry. This is designed for Mercedes-Benz, Maybach, and smart vehicles. Functions include quick test, guided diagnostics, ECU communication, adaptations, service reset, coding support, and dealer-level test procedures. The third platform is ODIS for Volkswagen Group vehicles. It supports Audi, Volkswagen, Skoda, Seat, Bentley, Lamborghini, and Bugatti. With ODIS, technicians can perform full system scans, guided fault finding, coding, adaptations, ECU flashing, and service functions. The fourth platform is Porsche PIWIS4. This is built for Porsche workshops and technicians working on modern Porsche vehicles. PIWIS4 supports Porsche diagnostics, control unit scanning, fault code management coding, maintenance functions, adaptations, and module programming support where applicable. The fifth platform is the Jaguar Land Rover diagnostic system. It works with Jaguar and Land Rover vehicles using the dedicated JLR VCI interface. It supports vehicle identification, full system diagnostics, fault code reading and clearing, service reset, module communication, live data, and guided diagnostic functions.